Yeah, I don't feel good about this spot. I'll have to bail on out of this spot. Maybe try another spot. I'm not really liking this spot. Too much moss and turtles. What's up? So yeah, I tried to throw out here at this little pond down at the Commons Park, but it just didn't feel right. There's too much turtles. Wait, like they're everywhere. There's moss everywhere. I just don't think there'll be anything in here, and it just doesn't feel right. I don't want to hurt the turtles. It's too quiet. So I'm gonna go try like the fishing pond over there. It might have a better chance. So pack up here and head on over down there and see what happens. It's pretty out here though. And there's a bunch of geese and their babies. Look at that. Cute little guys. Don't get near them though, they'll fucking fuck you up. They get really hissy if you get near their babies. Alright. Be back in a minute. Holler back at y'all. I'll holler back at y'all. Alright, yeah, so this place looks a little better. There's some turtles in here, but it ain't as abundant. I don't think I'll hit one. The odds of me hitting one are less likely. Looks less mossy. Looks more traffic, like more people come here. Ooh, I'm gonna throw the magnet in a couple times and see what happens. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna try out here. First close, see what happens. Yeah, so it ain't look like I'm finding shit out here. I didn't get a single nothing. So, I don't know, probably go do something else for a little bit. Could try another spot later or something. What's up, y'all? I think I'm gonna go a little off the beaten path here. Try to find me a spot, throw my magnet in the water. We'll see. I just tried this gnarly looking bridge, but just gonna put some time. The spot though, I saw some deer. Yeah, get at it. Little nature trail here is pretty sweet. Yeah, y'all, I'm still cruising down this trail. I'm gonna hit some water at some point with the landing down here. It's a real peaceful drive. See the sun shining through the trees and the birds chirping. It makes you just happy to be alive. There's a lot of bullshit in the world. There's a lot of hate, bullshit. Just gotta forget all that. Just be alive, man. Shit like this reminds you that. Well, here's a spot. It is fucking peaceful. Almost want to go fishing or kayaking down here. Fucking nice. Alright, well, let's throw a magnet in and see if I can pull anything up. May or may not. This is a little traffic area here. I think people come in and out of here and through here, so who knows? What's up, everybody? I'm here at this neat little landing. I ain't got much daylight left, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw this magnet in the water and see if I find anything. Should be a really good spot to throw a little point in the water. It's a good time. There's fish jumping everywhere. Look at that, first try, nothing. Second try, nothing. Third try, nothing. far a whole lot of nothing. It probably will be a whole lot of nothing, but you never know. I'm going to need to get some bug spray here soon. My next journeys. Oh, look at that. A piece of a nail or something. That's something. It's not nothing, because it is something. It's so peaceful back here. I hear some people swallowing back there in the woods somewhere, but besides that, man, it is peaceful. What's that? Dope rig you got there.
Huh?
Cool rig.
Thanks, I appreciate it. I found that chair upstreamed in a fucking log jam. I figured I'd do my part to clean up nature. All that bullshit.
Yeah. So I'm throwing a magnet in the water, see what I can pull out. Yeah.
I was gonna ask if you was catching anything, man, but I wasn't sure what you was fishing for.
Yeah, I'm just seeing if I can pull anything up.
Right?
So far, no luck, just a little piece of a nail.
Yeah.
It's really peaceful out here, though.
Oh, it's nice out here, man. I've been out here since noon. Are you from around here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I paddled all the way up to the quarry ponds and shit, the quarry lakes. And so I was gonna go to Maysville, like to the White Oak, like the RV park up there and shit. But I called them this morning and he was like, man, he's like, if you're trying to get to the quarry ponds, he's like, you're gonna have to walk for fucking 3/4 of a mile. He's like, it's so fucking shallow. So I just came down here. And I've paddled it a bunch, man. It's not that bad. It takes like hour and a half or something to paddle up there.
And it's chill, super chill.
It's great up there, man.
If you had your little trolling motor, you wouldn't even have to paddle.
Man, I know.
I did that one time. I had a canoe with a trolling motor.
I'm gonna get me one eventually, but then you making a video, dude?
Yeah, I started a YouTube channel.
Oh yeah, that's cool, man.
I post a lot of like my skate videos and stuff, but
Oh, you skate?
yeah.
Fuck yeah, man. Me and my kids skate too, dude.
Oh,
Let's
hell
do
yeah.
it.
Yeah, I've been skating my whole life.
Hell yeah, I love it.
I just started doing this like 4 days ago.
Oh, word? Hell yeah.
I do all sorts of random shit.
What's your channel, man?
Gnarly Bananas, or See Bananas 22.
Gnarly Bananas, huh? Okay. Fucking check it out.
See Bananas 22. It's crazy.
I'm gonna go over your work right here, man.
Yeah, you're good. No, I was gonna say, don't mind that stuff.
Yeah, I dug this out up there, man. I was like, that looks fucking terrible, dude.
That's one of the cool things about doing this is you never know who you're gonna run into. That dude's cool as shit. And he's gonna like and subscribe, like you guys should. Oh. Tune in for epic fails. We'll wrap it up for now. Pretty awesome session. I didn't find nothing but some bullshit right here. But hey, fuck it. It's still cool being out here in nature. That's what I enjoy the most. Meeting new people, being out in nature, just enjoying life, being alive. Y'all should try it sometime. So apparently I could walk this creek quite a bit. Throw on my magnet. That'll be for another day because I'm running out of daylight today, but good to know. Something else to explore. I may not find shit, but I'm gonna have fun doing it. But yeah, I think that's it for today. Appreciate y'all checking me out, the people who actually do. Remember, man, peace and love.